We're super excited about our latest customer review. We worked very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients.
I was referred to Dr. Doug and it was a perfect fit. I was in so much pain that I had to sleep in a chair for over a week. Once I was in Dr. Doug's care, I saw immediate results and was pain-free by the second visit. He gave me exercises and tools to work with that were easy to do and understand. He's very caring and tuned into his patients. He takes the time to understand the injury and what needs to be done to remove the pain. I have never been to PT before, but I would recommend Doug and Cody for any care that you need. The staff in the office is super friendly and the entire staff cares about you. I'm very appreciative of the care Dr. Doug gave me. He is a true professional and will help you resolve your issues.
Let us help you with our excellent customer service, backed by our years of experience. We'd love to make you one of our happy customers too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. Hope to see you soon.